In this video, we will see exercise 15.3 and 15.4 of chapter Visualizing Solid Shape of Standard 7th. Let us start our exercise 15.3. Now, in the question, it is asked that what cross section do you get when you give a vertical cuts and horizontal cut of the following solids. The shapes, the solids are given, that is the first one is a brick, second one a round apple, a die, a circular pipe and ice cream cone. Now let us see one by one each solid. See here, the first solid is a brick. When you give a vertical cut, you will observe a rectangle in its cross section. When the same solid, that is brick, is given a horizontal cut, then also you will observe a rectangle in its cross section. Now the next solid is a apple. When you give it a vertical cut, you will observe a circle in its cross section. When the same apple, when you give it a horizontal cut, again you will observe a circle in its cross section. Next solid is a die. It is in the form of a cube. When you give it a vertical cut, you observe a square in its cross section. When the same die is given a horizontal cut, you observe a square in its cross section. The next solid is a circular pipe. When you give it a vertical cut, you observe a circle in its cross section. And when the same solid, when you give it a horizontal cut, you observe a rectangle in its cross section. The next solid is a cone. When you give it a vertical cut, you observe a triangle in its cross section. When the same solid, when you give a horizontal cut, you observe a circle in its cross section. Let us start exercise 15.4. The first question is, a bulb is kept burning just right above the following solid. Name the shape of shadow obtained in each case. Attempt to give rough sketch of the shadow. You may try to experiment first and then answer the question. Now let us see one by one. In the first question, when you put a bulb glow just above a ball, so what reflection it will fall on the ground? See here, it is like a circle. See, when you put a bulb glow above a cylindrical pipe, what kind of reflection, what kind of shadow will fall on the ground? See, it's like a rectangle. See the next object, when you put a bulb glow above a book, what kind of shadow will fall on the ground? It's also like a rectangle. Now let us start next question. Here are the shadow of some 3D object when seen under a lamp of an overhead project. Identify the solid that match each shadow. There may be a multiple answer for this. Now the first shape is given circle, then square, then triangle, then rectangle. Now let us see. If we write that is a sphere or a cylinder having a circular shadow, then a cube or cuboid with a square end having a square shadow, then a cone and a prism of a triangular base having a triangular shadow, then a cylinder and a prism of a square with a square base having a rectangular shadow. Now the next question is, examine the following are true statement or not. The cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a rectangle. Yes, we can say that a cube can cast a shape of a rectangle as a shadow. The cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a hexagon. No, it is not possible. Cube cannot be form hexagonal shadow.